Okay, we're about ready to change the oil in the Scion DX named Patches. So the metal ramps, they worked great for the back. It's a front wheel drive. I was able to back right up on the metal ramps and do all the muffler stuff. But I had tried driving up on them before I backed up on them just to see how it goes, and it did not work. The metal ramps, the tires just spun on them, and I sure didn't want to get a running start or anything. So when I was ready, I knew I needed to do the oil, plus I wanted to do some other stuff on the front. So I decided to take my wooden base that I had made for the metal ramps and add to it. Now I did not screw, so I took an 8-foot piece. I guess it's a 2x10. If I would have had a 2x12, I would have used that, but I only had a 2x10, and it was one that was kind of a reject. It's perfect for this application, though. It was an 8-footer, so I cut a 2.5-foot piece and a 1.5-foot piece, and took the saw and put a slight 45 on each one of them. I screwed these two together. So these two are screwed together, but they're not screwed with the base. The base, they're just pushed up against that, which I think, so it turns out it worked really good. It just drove up on the one layer, up onto the second layer, up onto the third layer. Amy was spotting me so she could tell me each step where I was, just to confirm. Always have a spotter. And then when we got to the top layer, she told me where to stop, put it in park, pull the emergency brake on, shut it off, block the back wheel both ways. I would like to get another official block, but the two 2x4s that are nailed together should also work. Would be nice to have a set of 4, one set on each side. Okay, so I'm getting up about for 6 inches. Makes a world of difference. I can comfortably lay down underneath there, look things over, do stuff. It's comfortable, especially with the cardboard, the double layered thick cardboard. So yeah, I'm very happy with this concept. And it went up so nice. It just a little bit, you could tell it was going up, and you didn't have to gas it hardly at all. I mean, it almost, it went up easy, as opposed to the metal ramps, which were, but if you think about it, you're going up, an inch, 2 inches at a time, well, 2 inches, but you got a little buffer zone there. Okay, so that worked really good. We're going underneath. I found where to drain the oil, and I should find the filter right nearby, and hopefully they come off nicely. Hopefully someone didn't torque them on too much. Okay, let's do it.